హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఈరోజు మనము సీటెట్ 2021 మ్యాథ్స్ పేపర్ 1 ఆన్సర్స్ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇన్ హౌ మెనీ వేస్ 48 స్మాల్ స్క్వేర్స్ ఆఫ్ 1 cm into 1 cm కెన్ బి అరేంజ్డ్ సో దట్ ద రిజల్టింగ్ ఏరియా ఇస్ 48 centimeters? ఆప్షన్స్ 6, 4, 5, 2. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి 5. Second question, in school assembly, students of a class are standing in a line. Ruhi is 19 from both ends. How many students are present in that class? 38, 37, 36, 40. Answer వచ్చేసి 37. Asmita reaches school for a meeting 15 minutes before 8:30 a.m. She reached half an hour earlier than her colleague who is 40 minutes late for meeting. What is the scheduled time of meeting? Options 8:15 a.m., 9:10 a.m., 8:45 a.m., 8:05 a.m. Answer వచ్చేసి 8:05 a.m. Next question. A number is larger than half of 100. It is more than 6 tens and less than 8 tens. The sum of its digits is 9. The tens digit is the double of the ones digit. What is the number? 72, 63, 54, 81. Answer వచ్చేసి 63. Next question. The rates of various stationery items are given below. A pack of crayons, a pack of pencils, a pack of sketch pens, one scissor, one eraser, one sheet of glazed paper, a pack of decorative stickers. Sohail buys 1 packet of crayons, 2 packets of pencils, 1 packet of sketch pens, 1 scissors, 5 sheets of glazed papers and 1 pack of decorative stickers. How much would he be required to pay? Options 98, 86.50, 100.50, 102. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి 100.50. A train starts from Patna on 30th May 2020 at 23:40 hours and reaches Mumbai on 1st June 2020 at 5:15 hours. What is the total travel time of train? Options 28 hours 20 minutes, 29 hours 35 minutes, 29 hours 15 minutes, 28 hours 25 minutes. Answer వచ్చేసి 29 hours 35 minutes. Next question. In a 5-digit number, the digit at the hundreds place is 3/4 of the digit at 10,000s place, and the digit at tens place is 2/3 of the digit at hundreds place. The digit at tens place is square of the smallest prime number, and the digit at thousands place is the largest single digit prime number. If the digit at unit place is largest single digit odd number, then the number is options 87649, 49327, 83419, 42937. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి 87649. What should be subtracted from the sum of 8008, 8088 and 8808 to obtain 17863? Options 6121, 6131, 7041, 7141. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి 7041. Next question. A bucket of 16 liters capacity is filled to the brim with water. Water from this bucket is to be transferred into smaller utensils. A mug filled to capacity has to be dipped 50 times to completely transfer the water in the bucket into the utensils. What is the capacity of the mug? Options 225 ml, 250 ml, 275 ml, 320 ml. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి 320 ml. A taximeter shows charges of rupees 50 for the first 2 kilometers of journey and rupees 16 for every subsequent kilometer travelled. Manju pays rupees 258 as fare to travel from her house to the railway station. How far is the railway station from her home? Options: 12 kilometers, 13 kilometers, 15 kilometers, 18 kilometers. Answer వచ్చేసి 15 kilometers. 41st question. The following table shows marks obtained out of 100 by Maria and Shahnaz in 5 subjects. Based on the table above, identify the correct statement from among the following. Maria has scored more marks than Shahnaz in all subjects except the languages. Maria has scored more marks than Shahnaz in only 2 subjects. Shahnaz's aggregate marks in maths and science are more than Maria's aggregate marks in these subjects. The aggregate marks of Maria and Shahnaz are equal. Answer వచ్చేసి the aggregate marks of Maria and Shahnaz are equal. Which of the following is a desirable teaching learning practice in the context of mathematics? Open-ended questions should be avoided to prevent confusion. Intuitive understanding of concept should be encouraged. Open book tests should be avoided. Students should be told to follow the prescribed steps of solving problems. Answer వచ్చేసి second one. Following are some questions posed by the teacher in the mathematics classroom. A. What is the area of rectangle whose one side is 5 cm and perimeter is 30 cm? Find a set of numbers whose median is 4. List all prime numbers between 0 to 8. Tell me anything mathematical information you know about rectangles. Options: A and B are closed-ended questions and C and D are open-ended questions. Second, A, B, C are closed-ended and D is open-ended question. A is closed-ended and B, C and D are open-ended questions. A and C are closed-ended and B and D are open-ended questions. Answer వచ్చేసి fourth. Next question. Which of the following is least likely to impact teacher learning in mathematics? Enhanced quality of feedback, using results of assessment to modify teaching, knowing ways in which assessment affected the confidence of learners, providing complete solutions to students. Wrong answers. Answer వచ్చేసి providing complete solutions to students. Wrong answer. Next question. Rohit realizes that square is both a rhombus and a rectangle. He is at what stage of Van Heely's visual thinking? Options: level 0, recognition, level 1 analysis, level 2 relationships, level 3 deduction. Answer వచ్చేసి level 2 relationships.